National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Penobscot County in southeastern Missouri, southeastern Dunklin County in southeastern Missouri, western Dyer County in western Tennessee, northeastern Lauderdale County in western Tennessee, southwestern Lake County in western Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located over Litchville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Hornersville around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gosnell around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Blytheville around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Steele, Cutter, and Bering around 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Caruthersville, Hayti Heights, and Eloise around 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Calumet, Dearman, Haskola, Poplar Grove, Lenz Ford, Tenemo, Stark City, Boots Point, Armel, and Big Boy Junction. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning.